Hey guys, very good morning. Hope everyone are doing well. The time is around 12:30 now, and it's a Saturday. We are going to a place called Bolumalai, which is near Krishnagiri. It's a very interesting place, guys. I did see a couple of videos on that. It's stunning. It's really nice. So I'm super excited to go there today. Okay, so guys, we have reached the base of Bolumalai. I'll tell you how many more kilometers is there for us to go to Bolumalai, and we have about 33 minutes. It's around 14 kilometers. I have been to Bolumalai last weekend, but there was a problem that the footage what I have taken did not come out well, and when it comes to showing you guys what I travel, how I travel, where I travel, I want to make sure that I give you the best of best quality. So that's the reason I thought I should make another visit and certainly do another video for you guys. So that's the plan. So you see a beautiful, I'm going through a small village from Krishnagiri. You take a left, get into the village area. So peaceful it is, but it's a bit sunny because the time should be around like 2:20, 2:30, I think. So it's kind of hot, but we do have the black clouds on the top, just getting covered, and very scenic route, guys. Like all throughout the ranges you will find mountains. You need to be very careful. Look into both the sides where the vehicle is coming and then take the right. So this is the way to Bolumalai. The roads are recently put, but it's only halfway through the tarmac is put. The rest is all mud. So we have started climbing the Bolumalai Fort route, guys. I don't see any mountains, so basically we'll climb through that route. So this is the dead end point, guys. From here you have to take a right left. So it's a very small lane. You need to be very, very careful. Go a bit slow. The starting stage of off-roading starts, and as and when you go up, it's completely filled with mud only. The silks of muds. So you need to be very careful when you climb the hill. So we are going to go on the top there, and we're going to rock the show, guys, today. Let's see how this works out. And I'll be only showing you the uphill video. The downhill video will be a separate video. I'll tell you how we have to climb down the hill. Woo! So the jumping part of Scram 440 Dragon has started. You can see a lot of gravel stones, very risky ones. You need to actually be very, very careful during this thing. Ooh, that was awesome. That was pretty awesome. So this is the mountain we are going to climb, actually, guys. So the off-roading is going to start. The sun is out. I think sun is showing mercy on us. So you see the mud. It's very silky mud. You need to be very, very careful in this route. Okay, so we have started climbing the mountain. First gear. I don't know if I'm the only guy who's climbing up because I don't see any riders here. Pretty awesome route. Climbing with Dragon in second gear here. Okay. Ooh. Let's move to first gear. So this is the hairpin bend. So we'll stop circling the mountain right now. Last time I was literally jumping at this and enjoying and coming, guys. I don't know. This time I'm solo. I don't want to take risk because we don't have any backup plan. So you could see we came through that route. We have started climbing this way. You can already see 180-degree angles view of the mountains or valleys, you know. We have to climb still further more there. That'll take some time. So quickly, let's go ahead. I'm in second gear. Dragon has a good torque, so in second gear also he is able to pull the vehicle really well. So you could see there. See the look at the valleys, guys. Man, it looks amazing, right? But if you do not have experience on off-roading, or you don't have the control on your bike, you are new with the bike, you're learning. This is a stage where many people fall. Last time when we came, one of the bike fell down. There were a couple here. I'll just put a snap of that. You need to be careful. So if you're new with the bike, please don't try to do any kind of stunts, because this is a very risky valley. Directly you go down. There's no barricades or anything, so you need to be very, very careful, guys. Please take care. Woo! Literally my rear wheel is drifting, guys. See, these sands are kind of very loose. And give actual way to the downhill coming vehicles, because they will not have much control. The uphill is easy to control and stop, but downhill will be really tough, so do give way for them to come down. Ooh. Just look at that rock. It's actually balancing on another rock. Damn, right? Just a little more to reach on the top, guys. Go to first gear, climb slowly. And the pattern tires of Dragon, you know, the Scram 440 is very well. It's really nice. So we have reached the top. So this is the climb what we are going to do actually, guys. We will climb this way and go up there. So Anna was like, you don't pay now. While coming down, you pay us while eating something. So this is a treacherous route, the stretch. We gotta climb. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Both the wheels were in the air. I just wish someone was capturing this. Just look at, so this is the kind of concrete route. So look at the view, guys. We have started climbing down. Just look at the view. So start looking up. Wow, we are climbing altitude further and further. What I'll do is I'm not going to use my 360 because one side of the lens is broken. So I'm going to actually do the normal shot, and I'm going to capture it from last time what I've taken. I'll add that here. Ooh, it's a steep climb actually. So we come to the top right now. We don't see anyone actually here. Literally no one is here. All they have parked their bikes here. Last time when we came on Sunday, we had a lot of people here actually. So we're gonna climb this one, guys. Are you ready? So this is the route. It goes through this way and we'll climb on the top and come. Are you guys ready for this? Let's give it a try on the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, oh, okay. I'm going to put this video as two videos, guys. One, the Insta 360 what was taken last time, and the route. Woo! That was an easy peasy cake, guys. Let's go on the top. Woo! Still further climbing. Oof. Okay, I think there was a big hit on the rock. And we've reached the top, guys. Woo! Yes! Just look at this, guys. I'll show you. I'll get on and show you guys. I heard a big duck sound. I don't know, was it here? I don't know. But yeah, just look at this, guys. All 360 is valley and mountains. Pretty high breeze. You can see the clouds going that side. Who will climb and come all the way? We have Dragon to take us anywhere we want. Okay, guys, I'll quickly relax a bit and then I'll connect with you guys. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned, guys. Bye. So guys, we have actually reached Bolumalai. I'm going to quickly show you on the top what's there. So you can see all 360 is actually the valley. Everywhere you see mountains, and this is one of the mountain. If you go to that other side of the mountain, you will see this mountain. So this is how this people do trek and come. They come all the way walking, but our Dragon took us till the top. We are on the top point, even higher than the temple. We are on the top point. This is the toppest point in this particular mountain. We put our Dragon there. Then we're going. People are chilling out here. So once you come down here, there's a temple. You won't get Airtel signal here much, so you need to depend on Jio or BSNL. So if you come here, please inform your family in prior. So that's the temple, and that's a small space. I don't know why they've constructed it, but this is a fort actually. This was an old fort, and this is one of the tallest mountain. So this is, I think this is the second tallest. The first one is that one there. And you have that one there. So I think it should be third or fourth tallest mountain. You can see everywhere mountains completely. So that's the Krishnagiri Dam and lake, and you have a lot of small lakes here and there you can find out. So we have come all the way from that down, that small house do you see, right? From there we have climbed all the way to the mountain with that Dragon. So this was a fort before. So basically I think during the Mughal Empire, you know, they would have built this fort on the top of the mountain. That's how Mughals always do, build the fort on top so that they can see their enemies and attack accordingly. Oh yeah. So super excited, guys. I'm super excited that I was able to make with the Dragon till the top. Last time we stopped it down there itself, so I thought this time we should climb till up. Oh, there's a small lizard. Okay, so yeah, this time with Dragon I was able to climb. So you can see that's the topmost point what Dragon is standing on. Dragon has done a great job, specifically Scram 440, guys. It has good torque, so even if the hilltop is inclined at 85 to 90 degree, this guy can easily climb up because he has good torque and he has good grip power in the tires, and the tires are doing really good job. I was able to climb very easily. So yeah, so at last we are in the top, and this is all Bolumalai, guys. I hope you like this video. If you liked, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and without fail press the bell button so that you get regular notification. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, it's you from me, Bharat Ayappan, Dragon, and Bolumalai. Take care, bye bye, and sayonara.